um tomorrow. We'll wait for Monday. So what the post that I made, I said I'm gonna wait for Monday for hear what Trump I go say, right? And then if it not work out, then we go have to come up with another solution. You know what I mean?
Yes, but the box can hold how many people? 4?
No, I was on live today, right? And I think it's unfair that we're leaving out our US supporters. I spoke with I was on live and I did a live and they said no, don't once Trump go office today, I mean Monday, if nothing work out, then we're gonna come up with a solution. You understand?
Yes, but I'm saying to you, the show can still go on. It don't have to stop. So
no, I
how
can
many people?
the reason why I'm not doing it tomorrow, I think it's unfair.
No, not tomorrow.
No.
Yeah,
That's why I said the show will go on, the show will go on, right? But we are waiting first before we can make that decision. If you understand what I'm saying.
No problem. I heard that.
Yeah.
But I'm saying to you, the show gonna still go on. But I'm saying, how many people can hold on Instagram in a box? 4?
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. I didn't understand what you were asking. I think, upgrading more than 4 now.
How much can hold?
It takes about, Jesus, how much can hold in the box, man? Isn't it up to true? But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm being prepared for I can't remember, to be honest.
Well, I think 9. Request how much people can hold in the box.
Make people send requests, right?
Send requests,
guys, send requests. Right. So let's see how much can hold.
Yeah, because if not, you have to drop one of the main judge, and I'm willing to drop. And you know me there anytime you're ready.
How much
and
people
then,
can use on YouTube? How much people can use on YouTube?
Well, on YouTube, hold on then. I don't know. On YouTube.
You say 4 people, no, sir?
Okay.
They say 4.
Answer the request chat. I could see how much can hold.
That's 1, 2, 4.
I think of 4. I don't think you can pass 4.
Where see? Hold on then.
Okay.
Look how work now, Blinga.
I
don't want to get this thing.
Answer the John Crodham now. Father, forgive me, please. Jesus Christ, me like get out of the element now. Father,
right, you come from a decent place,
Look, I work fish. Blinga black that person, please, na pum pum bandit. Why you laugh? Black pum pum bandit. I saw the name. You see me say pum pum bandit.
Right, a decent body.
But what you name the pum pum bandit?
All right, look here. Me not see no more ad. So listen now. When and why Donald Trump is not doing anything Monday? I'm telling you, the man wants
that's what I'm saying.
Money.
It's gonna take at least a couple of days. It's not gonna be done on Monday. It's gonna be done at least, let's say, in the middle. Because remember, Monday he must swear in and everything, right? So it's not gonna be done on Monday. But what I'm saying, eventually it's gonna be done. And you have to understand, right, Ms. Blinga, most of our supporters are from the US. You know this, right? And I feel like if I do it without waiting to see what can happen, it's like a slap in the face for them. So and plus there's people in the US who is in the competition. I just think that we should just wait it out. It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's just wait it out. Let's just wait it out.
All right, right. Listen to what I say and tell me if this sound good. All right, right. So for instance, eventually work out. What you could do is still do it per Instagram live, have one of the judge up in the box. And the other 2 judges, what you could do, have them down in the viewers around.
Yeah, that's why
and listen just to see them. Or maybe you could have tried a YouTube platform, they never knows.
That's what I'm saying.
Just try to get in touch to the contestant, them and make them know, say, hey, you go there over Instagram or YouTube, wherever you keep it.
I know what you're saying, right? But that's why I'm saying I'm not gonna make that decision and wait. If I'll even have to wait over a week or so, let's just wait out, because if it comes to a point where it's not gonna fix, then we have to do it obviously on Instagram, right? 100%. And like what you said, we could have a judge in the comment section, and that's what we'd have to do, right? And then when it's time to,